Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We have some new items we're going to stick on the store. I think that's what's in this box. And then this box, I have no idea. It's like a mini baby bulk box. So we're going to find out what's inside this box and show you everything.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so I got this one in the mail, and I have no idea what's inside this little baby bulk box. But we're going to set this to the side and kind of keep it as a surprise for the end. And then this one, I believe, are some items that we ordered to put on the store. And so Paul does a lot of the ordering, so you're going to see it as a surprise just for me. If you want to find any of these items, these will be items that will be put on Hooked on Pickin. So let's see what we got. All right. Dinosaur Egg. Growing Pet. Dinosaur Egg. Oh, yeah. So if you want to get these, we're going to have them on Hooked on Pickin. Look at these. Aren't these cool? Growing Pet Dino Egg. Magic Growing Pet. Put the egg in a container. Fill it with water till the upper edge. The egg will break slowly after 12 to 24 hours. Then the pet will hasten out of the shell. After the eggshell is broken entirely, please add new water into the container again. And then basically a giant dinosaur grows. So I think it's random what kind of dinosaurs grow out of it. It shows T-Rex, like a Velociraptor, a Triceratop, the one with a Stegosaurus. Yeah.
Show the pictures? Ooh.
Yeah, so that's kind of how it works. Cool. And then it looks like it could be any of these dinos. So it's kind of a little bit of a mystery egg, too.
Do not swallow.
Don't eat it. It's not an egg for consumption. So we'll have the dinosaur eggs on Hooked on Pickin. So you'll be able to find those there. And those will be probably really cheap shipping, too.
They kind of are an impulse aisle item, you know?
Yeah.
Like when you're at the checkouts.
They're fun to add. They're fun to add to your order. If you're already ordering something, throw that in the cart, too. Okay, this is...
I can't even remember.
Oh, yes. These are really fun. They're called Jesus Sunny Jigglers. So they're solar. You stick them in the window.
We got Jesus in a box.
Yep.
Actually, you can't put Jesus in a box.
You can't put Jesus in a box. And then he just moves around.
That is awesome.
Praising the Lord. Praising himself, I guess. Reminding you to praise the Lord. That's what it is.
Easter, we sold a ton.
Yeah, so we're going to put these on Hooked on Pickin. We sold a ton on Amazon.
Yeah, we did.
But I'd rather have them on Hooked on Pickin. So I think that's the plan, is we're going to put some on Hooked on Pickin. So we have a bunch of those. So those are fun. And we'll tell you the prices. So wait till the end of this video. We're going to tell you what we're actually going to price those items. And just go to Hooked on Pickin. You'll be able to find them easily. All right. This one is what?
Is that all that was in the box?
No, there's one more box in there. So
okay, cool.
We'll have to see if that's more of something we've already seen or what. This has what in it? Slingshot Rocket. Okay, how in the world? Is this just a really tall box? It is a really... Okay.
Slingshot Rocket.
Slingshot Rocket. Let's see. What do they look like? Oh, these look cool.
Good size rocket.
That is. I didn't think it was going to be that big.
No, I'm glad it is.
It's got a switch on it. So here, let me lay it down so you can really get a... So it says, hook the bungee loop on your thumb, and another hand will pull the tab on the back of the rocket backwards. Point the finger rocket upwards and release the sling with a downward flick. And it also has a light on it. So you flip the light on so it lights up so you don't lose it. So it's a slingshot rocket with a light.
Flies up to 120 feet.
Yeah. So we've been waiting from lots of liquidation companies like Bulk and Via Trading and stuff, and it's just hard to come by the toys these days. I think toys will start to be a little bit more popular in liquidation in maybe a month or so because we're going to be getting the after Christmas stuff. So we just decided to go and look for some at wholesalers and found that we found a really good deal. And the nice thing about wholesalers is everything is brand new. And so we wanted to add some more toys to the store. And if you've been on there recently, We've got some Minnie Mouse Play-Dohs. We've got some LOL stuff. We've got Baby Yoda backpacks. You probably see that behind me. Some mini Baby Yoda backpacks are a different style. So check those out. Oh, this is a whole nother box of, I think, something we've already seen. Listen, you can never have too much Jesus in your life.
That's right.
You need some more Jesus in your life. So that was the last thing in the box.
Awesome.
Yep. So we'll be, stay tuned to the end. We'll tell you exactly how much we're going to price it for on the store. But I know you guys have been waiting. You want to see what's in this box? I have no idea. Baby bulk box. Because I didn't order anything from bulk recently. So we'll have to look and see, what is this? Baby bulk box. Ooh, I see some fun stuff. Lots of blue confetti. What is this?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. We've gotten these in years past, which is really fun. So those of you who know me know that I really started doing a lot of unboxings based on bulks liquidation. They're a really easy company to order from. You don't need a reseller's license to order from it. So those of you who are not maybe as big of I don't consider myself a huge reseller, but I do have a reseller's license and kind of made through those steps. Bulk is a great place to order from with that in mind. So this is,
website.
They do. Oh, look at
Nice.
two $50 gift cards for eBay.
Nice.
And Bulk has started doing, so they started selling cases on eBay. But the cool thing about buying a case off of eBay is you actually just have a button you click and it will self-populate drafts of everything that was in that bulk manifest onto eBay. So your listings are literally like 75% made other than the pricing and weight and stuff like that. So you can basically self-populate everything in the bulk manifest. So we've got these so that I can order a bulk box off eBay, which I probably will do. Don't worry, I'll tell you all about it. So I'm super excited about that. And then what is this? Ooh.
Got an award.
I did. It says Bulk Unboxing Award presented to Hooked on Pickin for the top 5 most watched bulk unboxings. Yeah, I have done a ton of bulk unboxings, that's for sure.
Cool.
And then what else is in here?
They got you some swag.
I got some swag. Ooh, sweatshirts.
Nice.
Usually I get t-shirts, but I totally need a sweatshirt. What do you think? I think it looks good. I love it. What else is in here? Oh, I love hats. I'm a hat wearer. See? I look good in a hat. There's a hat. Oh, look! Here's one for you, Paul.
Nice.
What else is in here? Another one?
If that's mine, it better be a bigger one.
It is. It's your size. This is Paul's size. This is your size, a sweatshirt.
Right.
Nice. And we've got some tissue paper. I think that's it. Oh, no, wait. These always come in handy. These are little measuring tape.
Oh, yeah.
They're nice handy pocket measuring tapes. Ooh, we got a couple of them. So I think this is a me and Paul box because there's 2 of everything. I think that's it. Oh, look. I got a little award to go with it. Congratulations, Heather. Out of 700 bulk unboxing video uploads in 2020, yours was one of the top 5 most watched. To recognize this huge achievement, we'd like to name you as one of this year's Bulk Unboxing Award winners. We loved watching you think outside of the box as you continue to grow your business. Enjoy these reselling goodies, and here's to even more success in the new year. Keep up the hustle. Cheers, the Bulk team. Awesome. And I have lots of confetti.
Cool.
That's awesome. So that was super nice. Like, I'm really excited about buying me an eBay box. So we'll have to do a video on that, and I'll let you know how that goes. But I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Bulk. I definitely will wear the swag. I needed some new sweatshirts. It's getting cold around here these days. And it wasn't just a cheap t-shirt. It was a nice one. But don't forget, we're going to list all of these on Hooked on Pickin, and we're going to price everything. So stay tuned. We're going to do the pricing. Okay, so we've got all of the 3 items priced that we're going to put on Hooked on Pickin, and they are, we're going to sell the Solar Jesus Sunny Jiggler for $2.99 on Hooked on Pickin, and then we're going to sell the Magic Dinosaur Growing Egg for $3.99, pretty good deal for that, And then last but not least, we're going to do the finger light up rocket for $4.99 on Hooked on Pickin. So you can go to hookedonpickin.com to find all of those items. Right behind me is exactly how you spell Hooked on Pickin, no G on the end. And hopefully it's been fun to watch this unboxing and my surprise gift, which I'm super excited about. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're looking for other items, not toys, check out hookedonpickin.com because I do have a lot of other things available. I've got fun scented bath bombs that look like Hershey's Kisses, which would be perfect for Valentine's Day. I've also got Baby Yoda backpacks and various other things like Roman daggers that are letter openers. Really fun things on hookedonpickin.com, so check it out.